Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2015 Toyota Prado GXL, stock reference number 5593. The shape runs from the 8th month 2009 through to the 5th month 2015. It has a 1KD 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel backed by an automatic 4-drive transmission. 1KD 3 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the right hand headlight, left power door mirror, left rear door has no damage, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, Aftermarket TAG towbar, 3-ton rated with all bolts, brackets and loom, spare wheel, 17-inch alloy mag, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has no damage, right front door has no damage, right guard has no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with grey cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, touchscreen, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, right sun visor, instrument cluster and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.